Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is Bharat, and today we have a value for money microphone from a company called Ahuja. They have been in the market from a long time. I've been using Maona and also Blue microphone brands all this while. I'm going to be comparing this with a few of the microphones also in this video. So let's check this out. The Ahuja MTP20 lavalier microphone costs 833 rupees and is available on Amazon. Check the links in the descriptions to get the best deals on this microphone. Let's check the box first. It's pretty basic packaging from the outside. You have the key features on the front, and on the sides you have the available clip-on methods. A total of 3. Opening the box, you get a leatherette pouch inside, which is pretty handy. Stores all the components. You get the microphone wrapped in this nice plastic strap. Then you get the microphone windshield and also a TRS adapter which you can use to connect to DSLRs or PC ports. But I mostly use my phone or tablet to record, so we don't need this for now and are okay with the 3.5mm jack. Let's now take a closer look at the microphone. It's a complete metal housing and it's pretty large. It has a thick 5-meter cable for ease of use. Also, there's about 3 different ways that you can use this lavalier microphone. One is through this clip right here, which is basically, kind of you push it and it kind of opens up some like this. And also there is another way, which is, if you have a collar which is very tight, you can basically put it this way, which is basically a clip or a wedge which is there. So it kind of goes into any of the collars that you have. And the third way is basically a kind of a lanyard loop which is here. You basically put this onto the loops that are provided on the microphone itself. Let me just show that to you. And then you kind of pull this back so as to kind of make this loop, and basically you kind of put this on likewise. So you can also strap, it came out, but this is how basically it's kind of done. Let me just show you one more time. You just loop in this side and you kind of pull it back up till wherever you need. Let me just show that to you. Yes, so you can see that it kind of pulls back. This is kind of slightly loose, but yeah, so that there you go. You can just leave it here as well, so that there's no clip required. You can just leave it here and you can just talk about it. Also, looking at the microphone in detail, you can open the head and look at the inside of it here, which is a pretty large electret condenser unidirectional microphone. And this part of the video has been recorded on the Ahuja MTP20 lavalier microphone, and I have placed this right here. And just to give you a comparison, right now you listen to me on the lavalier microphone, and now you're listening to me on my DSLR's inbuilt microphone. I hope you can listen to this. There is a lot of difference, and now I'm going to be switching to my mobile phone's microphone right here. I hope you can listen to me on my mobile phone. Again, there is a lot of variance. On the lavalier microphone, the voice is pretty clear. The background noise is kind of cancelled out a lot. But at the same time, on a mobile or the DSLR, there's a lot of background noise that's out there. And also the clarity is pretty good on the lavalier microphone. But on the DSLR and the mobile phone, that clarity is kind of lost some. So like you heard, the microphone is good at noise reduction and the sensitivity is also pretty good. This will be ideal for interviews, vlogging, conferences, webinars or podcastings, where you may need a quick microphone solution. I also have a lot of other microphones, from the Blue Yeti to also a Maona microphone, but I use this because when you go out for vlogging or any kind of outside recording, this comes in very handy. So I would suggest you to use this for any kind of outside work as well. So guys, what do you think about the Ahuja MTP20 lavalier microphone? Tell me in the comment sections below, and for more such geeky videos, subscribe to my channel. And that's it for this video. Peace out, guys.